Hey, came out to this little car show, local. This is a Lady Volks, pretty sick. Trying to join the crew, guys. But yeah, there's a bunch of other V-dubs over here. Some fireworks, of course, for the 4th. The guy said he wants to ride the blue one, huh? Which one's the blue one? Where? Show me. That's pink. Where's the blue one that you like? Behind you, look. Behind you. Where's the blue? There. He said he wants to ride that one. Let's go look at the other ones? Sick. Ooh, this one right here, though. I never seen one that color. Okay. Bucket list goals in life is to own a V-dub and work on it myself, though I have no knowledge. You like that one? Yep. Look at that glitter. You see the doll? There. Alright. Literally asking for a picture by every single one. Oh, this one? Okay, don't touch. Alright, 1, 2, 3. A red one? I got you. Every single one? Guys, this is your first car show?
Yeah.
Shout out to you holding my Ari's bottle. Another one right here? Okay, don't touch.
Oh no, you don't think so?
This one? We're gonna insert your slideshow right here, okay? This one's sick. Look at the green. Come on this side. You don't have a pose from this side yet, right here. Right there, step back. Okay. Alright, I'm ready. Ooh. Alright, look at how cool this one is. You can see through it. What the? Let's see. Tata, can you go on the other side? Look behind you. Look behind you. Behind you. Who's that?
Stay right there. No.
No. Who is that? Tata. You want a picture with that one? Okay, go. Alright, look at mommy. Hey, look at all the paintwork on that. That looks tight.
And you got the Jedi.
Hey, not the Yoda. It's pretty much over already. That's why everyone's like heading out. But hey, right this one? Dang, that one's tight too. Okay, hold on. I hope you guys enjoy this. What do you call it? This compilation of every car here would die. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! No touching. A pineapple. That's awesome. A kiwi? A ukulele? Kiwi? You want a picture with this one too? For sure, huh? This one is just like decked out. Don't touch, okay? Just look. Look at the top, it got an umbrella. And a surfboard? Is that the best one? Ooh, even the rattan, like, selfie right there. Do you see the trees? And another one. Super fast. Bro, I can't get over this one. Super. Check out the glitter on this. The camera doesn't even pick it up, but this just looks like super fun to ride in. Yeah. Go ahead. Step back. Step back to yellow. Alright. 1, 2, 3.
Sorry. Pretty dirty. Let me wipe it down.
Ooh. Sawyers. That's fire. Another cool blue. Thought they can't be in the pictures. Got it. Okay, next. Got it. Yellow one? Okay. The sign. Right. Super nice. Oh, look, she got Chucky in the back. That is funny.
They're hot Cheetos, right? She like them?
He loves hot Cheetos. Say thank you.
Alright, take them both. So that way I don't have nobody to offer no more.
Thank you. Hot Cheetos? Dang. Shout out to the ladies. Okay, you gotta go right now. Let's go. Okay. You wanna take one more picture? Hello, bathroom break. Back to the show. My favorite one, besides the orange, has the lights lit now. Start her up, start her up. Ooh. If they going bye-bye, say bye. Bye. If they going bye-bye, say bye. Bye. Say bye. Yeah, turn around, look.